Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about how to show frame rate and FPS in Unreal Engine. There is two way to show FPS. So before we start, don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel, and let's get started. The first one, we need to go to edit and editor preferences, and you need to go to performance. After that, show frame rate and memory. Okay, edit, general, preferences, and show frame rate and memory, and save as default. And you can yes, okay, close. You will see this is frame rate, FPS, and all detail here will appear for you. This is the first step. Second step, if you need to show it here, the easy way, you can from this 3 point just click here and you will see show FPS, or you can click Ctrl Shift H. Okay, now if you click here, it will appear for you here, and you will see this is frame rate. And if you click Ctrl Shift H, you can show it and hide it. This design for this level, I make tutorial how to design this level with easy way. You can see this tutorial in the top corner of this video. Thanks for watching. If this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.